Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ruth Nanda here, aka Lo. What's good? What's poppin'? We are going to be doing our hair today. We're gonna give ourselves a protein treatment because we are definitely overdue for a protein treatment at this point. So if you are interested in seeing how you can do your own protein treatment as well, make sure you stay tuned. For this video, I'll be using my favorite Aphogee two-step protein treatment. So let's get into what a protein treatment is and why you really need one. So protein treatments are usually designed to strengthen and rebuild the hair shaft by adding protein back into the strand. So if your hair is feeling weak, brittle, or breaks more than usual, that's a telltale sign that you need that extra strength, and that's where protein comes in. So a few benefits of protein: it restores elasticity, it repairs the hair from damage that you usually have with either heat, chemical, and make the hair feel stronger. Especially important for people that have relaxed hair, color treated hair, or use heat to style the hair, because using those things actually can strip the hair of its natural protein balance. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I use the Aphogee two-step process to give myself at-home protein treatment at home, and you can do the same. It's super easy. Just start off on freshly washed hair. Make sure the hair is soaking wet. Apply the treatment to the hair and detangle. I'll be doing that a lot in this video, but please detangle soon after you put the product in, because once the product is dry, you will not be able to manipulate it with a comb or a brush or your fingers. It's not recommended. For this process, it's recommended that you either air dry, hood dry, or hand dry the hair, but it must not be touched or manipulated until the hair is completely dry, and then you rinse it out, and honey, the hair should be soft. A key tip is to always follow up your protein treatment with a moisturizing deep conditioner. I recommend using the Aphogee Balancing. It's perfect. It will make the hair soft. It will keep those hairs from feeling stiff and balance those strands. I always recommend doing a protein treatment every 4 to 6 weeks, depending on your hair needs. And with this process, you keep it on for about minutes. It says on the bottle, I think 2 or 3, but I do for 5. And your hair is feeling like it's lost a lot of bounce, try adding protein treatment to your routine. You'll definitely see a difference in your hair. So this part of the video, I am prepping for my flat iron. I will be showing you guys how I flat iron my hair. I am using some products, Trey Lux, that I've used before when I was natural, and I still love them now that I am relaxed. So I'll be applying those products to my hair. This is just some of the breakage that I did receive that I am working on. But overall, I will be trying a new flat iron brush in this video as well. I would love to know what you guys think. I'm going to let you just continue to watch the video so I show you how I flat iron my hair and get all the moisture retention and length retention that I have. So after the blow drying, here is a fun part. We'll be flat ironing my hair with this new flat iron brush I got from Gem. I got it from Marshall's. It was on clearance for about $16. Girl, I got up on a good steal, and the highest it can go to is 410 degrees, and I'm used to going up to 450, but I felt like it was very easy to use. I haven't used a flat iron brush in years. I had one around, but girl, it's so old. It's back from the 90s, and I had to step it up a little bit, and I was so happy when I found this on clearance, girl. It did exactly what I need and flat iron my hair in half the time. So if you guys go to Marshall's, with everything on clearance these days and the holiday seasons, go see if you can scoop you one of these Gem flat iron brushes. This is titanium, so I knew it was going to be it because titanium is a GOAT. So if you happen to find one of these inside your local Marshall's, girl, grab it and tussle onto the house with it, because you're going to want it. And with that being said, we have to get a trim, so look out for that video coming soon. Start to the channel down below. So I know that you want to join Logan because it's free 99. And 2, hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload. Hit the like button so I know that you like videos like this, and YouTube also know that you like videos like this so it gets it in the algorithm. And definitely comment below or would like me to create any new videos for you guys concerning hair or any issues concerning hair or styles. I would love to get those videos out for you guys because I'm here for you.
Come back at 6, wake me